Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dora the Fluid Crafter, and in this video I wanted to show you a new large and ephemera kit from Junk with Steph. And guys, it is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. I mean, me personally, as of late, I've been doing a lot of memory keeping, a lot of mixed media, and this kit, it's just phenomenal. It's got the blue, the grungy, vintage, different patterns and colors that just give that very vintage look, but it's also simple and elegant. You can add to it. You can put layers on it. There's so much space to do those things if that's what you want to do, and you can use them in mixed media. I just love it. So I wanted to come on and share it with you guys. I will leave her links down below so you can check it out. It is one of her new kits. So there's some tags. Now these here are printed out on a lightweight cardstock. And so there is a small envelope and then, or a large envelope, and then here is one of the time cards. Just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I love the calendar, the circles, the little sentiments, and I love these little strips. These little strips come in real handy for doing mixed media, especially if you, if you don't quite know what to put in there, but you got a good color scheme. These have different patterns, and plus it's got little spots and florals on there. It goes wonderful. Here's some journaling cards. Here are some more journaling cards. Here are some more tags, and you guys know I am obsessed with clocks. And do you see that old vintage grandfather clock on there? Is that not beautiful? Oh, love it so much. Here are some mini, you can use these as little mini tags, or you can use them as mini journaling cards. You can attach these and use them as a little booklet if you want to. I mean, you know, I love having these little squares. It's just so beautiful. This ephemera kit is really beautiful. Here's some journaling cards. Now you can also use these as recipe cards. You can use these as journaling cards. You can use them as postcards. I mean, they're just perfect size. And here's one of my favorite pages out of the kit. Let me make sure I've only got one page here. And I love the bingo card. Love that bingo card. And then you have a plain card here with some floral, and then all these sentiments. Oh, I just love it so much. Here are some file folders. Absolutely beautiful. And I love the fact that it already has the line here, so you don't even have to ink it. Here are some tags, and there's 2 tickets down here. Love these. Here is another envelope, and then a ticket, and then a library card. Now this one is a little bit different. I like to use these as where they open at the top, kind of like a coin envelope, and have the name and date upside right instead of sideways. I think that I enjoy doing those like that. Now these here are just printed out on regular printer paper. You can see that the color is different. I like using the manila colored or cream colored paper for the thicker, or like the tags and stuff, and then the white paper for the envelopes, because they fold easier when you have them on regular printer paper. So there's one. There's 2. I just love these so much. And see, like this one here, it's got the love. So if you hold it like this, you can fold these two in and this one up, and then have it open up here, or you can fold that in and these two over. Just, you know, depends on how you want it. And then it can also be a coin envelope, which I find very cool that that is like that. And here are two of the wide pockets, or the wide envelopes. You can use them as pockets also if you wanted to. You can actually cut the bottoms off here, and then use these as journaling cards, and then you can make these into pockets. I love that one. I love that right there. That is my favorite. That is just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Here's two smaller ones. And then this has got that that clock on there that goes with that tag. It's just so beautiful. Gosh, it's so beautiful, guys. So beautiful. And so I wanted to come on really quick to share that with you. And in the next video, we are going to do a little bit of work in my new art journal. Now, I don't know if you can see it on the page, but I went ahead and gessoed it, and I even did some stenciling on the page. Like I said, I'm not sure if you can see it on there or not, but it's a tree bark stencil, and then I just kind of put some crackle paste around the edges. I did use crackle paste in this, so that way when it crackled, it actually looked like tree bark versus just plain paste. So yes, in the next video, we will be doing that. And don't forget to check out Steph and her Etsy shop. She is absolutely a beautiful woman, and I love her so much. So I will link her down below, and I will see you guys again soon. Stay creative and think outside your box. Always be blessed. Bye-bye now.